So Dion won't be sad. Let's take Kizo to buy ice cream first. Kizo is happy now. Yay! Yeah. What is Kizo doing?
Is that a wall of black high jump? I've been saving for Brenda Lou and get purple honey. Hey, that's actually better, bro. Awesome. Friends, round number 3. Come on. What is this, friends? What is this? Quick, call an ambulance. Don't move. I caught you. Who else has a phone? Hand it over. You're not handing it over, huh? We're going to get hungry. Over here. This leads outside. Driving to your favorite park today. Do you like my dog and secret hideout? I just...
Mr. Beast. It tastes just like Mr. Beast. I hope I don't get him, Tack.